Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Subaru of Wakefield in Wakefield, Massachusetts, we have the 2024 Subaru WRX. This one's got a good old 6-speed. It's a really nice car. A little windy out, so I just wanted to do the intro here, and then let's go take a quick walk around the car. Harman Kardon sound. Very good stereo. This is, of course, the limited trim level, ignition red over black. 2.4 liter boxer turbocharged 4-cylinder. Actually a really good looking car. Yeah, I like the red. The red looks good. The red looks really good. All right, love the suede inserts on the seats. This is just, oh, this is a good car. Really notchy gearbox, really rewarding to use. Same basic Subaru infotainment that it's been for past few years now, so I am pretty used to it. All your basic controls, really easy to use. Do have a nice sunroof in this model. Sunglasses holder. I'm not losing my mind. There's no sunglasses holder. That's odd. Good amount of storage there, and you can pop that up to have a. Oh, I like that. I'm gonna leave that like that. Clutch, easy to modulate, really easy to use. First time I ever drove, I would say, a performance car was my uncle's WRX, and that threw me for a loop. Now I've driven so many manuals that it's really easy for almost any clutch. This one is easy, just outright easy. It's not tricky. I find it's actually pretty easy to be smooth with it too. Also easy to rev match downshift, which I'm always a fan of. Plenty of torque, plenty of power. I love the steering too. Oh, the steering is phenomenal. I am on summers, so being a little bit more cautious. Oh, it's just so fun to drive. I don't think I've ever filmed down here in the winter. Seeing that lake frozen over is just real cool. I will say the WRX is the performance car of New England. Everywhere you look, you see a WRX. And that's for good reason. This car is perfect for New England as a daily, as a performance car. You have one of the best all-wheel drive systems in a performance car. Under 100 grand, even over 100 grand. There's not a lot of all-wheel drive systems that can beat Subaru. Subaru is very much a New England brand. Obviously it's Japanese, but everybody in New England looks to Subaru for safety, for being able to drive in any condition. And I think even the WRX shows that. It's just gorgeous. I love driving in this area in the summer with, you know, when I have my Porsche out with the top down, everything like that. This is pretty darn special too. The only part I'm concerned about is this right here. So you have the snow drift, and I'm on summers that do not like the snow. Come on. A little bit of threshold braking, baby. There's ABS. But even so, I mean, I wouldn't drive this in 6 inches of snow, but I'd be comfortable in like a little dusting like this if you're smart about it. What are we waiting for? Oh, it's getting warm. That was a move that nobody on earth should have done. I do like you have hard buttons for reducing and increasing the climate control temperatures. That I do like, because I don't want to go through settings. If I'm hot, just drop the temperature. It's easy. And you have a good old volume knob. Such a joy to drive. I love it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.